Let's make a double crochet stitch, which is very much like a single and half double crochet, but we'll add in an extra yarn over, which makes the stitch taller. So if you're starting this at the beginning of a row, you're going to go ahead and chain 2 so you'll have enough height to make your stitch. Your pattern will tell you how many for your turning chain. This stitch starts the same as half double. We yarn over and go into our first stitch. So we're going to go under those 2 legs of the V here, and then we yarn over and pull up a loop. There are 3 stitches on our hook. Next, we yarn over again and go just through the first 2 loops. So bring your hook out here, and you've got 2 loops left on your hook. Now yarn over and go through both of the remaining loops. Let's do that again. It starts with a yarn over. You insert your hook underneath the V of the next stitch. Go ahead and grab your yarn and pull it through. So now we have 3 loops on our hook. We're going to grab the yarn again, twist the hook down, pull it through just the first 2 loops. And if you pull down on your stitches here, you can make them a little longer so you can get your hook through. Go through just those first 2, yarn over again, and go through these last 2, and you're down to 1 loop. And that is a double crochet. So let's try it again. You're going to yarn over, go into your next stitch, grab the yarn, pull it through, yarn over, go through 2, and then yarn over again and go through 2. Try that again. Yarn over, go through the next stitch, pull the loop through so you have 3 loops, then you yarn over and you go through 2 loops, and then you yarn over again and pull through your last 2. Keep working down your row, yarn over, go through the next stitch, pull up the loop, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through the last 2. Again, start with a yarn over, go into the next stitch, pull up a loop, yarn over, go through 2, yarn over, go through 2. Now we're at our last stitch. Yarn over, go into the next stitch, pull up a loop, yarn over, go through the first 2, yarn over, go through the last 2. And now you have a row of double crochet.